Hello everyone, now I'm in the dark forest with WUBEN E62. Okay, this is a flashlight, okay, that looks like a pen, and it comes with the blade here. Okay, you have 5 blades, okay, 5 blades for spare parts, and here is the white light, blue light, and red light here. Okay, micro USB, and here is the attack head, okay, for self-defense or breaking windows, something like that. Okay, the switch is here. Okay, let me show you about the light first. Okay, here for white light there are 3 levels. Okay, press and hold. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the highest mode is bright enough for walking around the forest. Okay, and if you double click here, you can get red and blue blinks, okay, for maybe using in emergency, okay, like when your car is broken, something like that. Just a warning light. Okay, here now back to white light. Okay, and one good thing about this, I think it's about the blade here, very sharp. Okay, you have to be very careful when you use this one. Okay, let me show you with the bottle. Okay, I have a bottle here. Okay, very sharp here. Very sharp. Okay, like this. So you have to be very careful about this one. Okay. Okay, here. Micro USB, okay, micro USB port. The battery is built in. Okay, it's 120 milliamps. Okay. Okay, let's walk around the forest. Okay, now here the highest mode. Okay, I can say it's bright enough for walking around the forest. Okay, and here are my motorcycle. See that? Good enough for walking around in the forest. You can see things about 5 to 10 meters away. Okay, let me show you. This is low. Low is too low. Low, maybe for reading in the tent, something like that. Okay, this is low. Medium. Okay, medium is also good for reading. Okay, good for walking around. You can walk around with medium, but not good. Okay, not good. But for high, I think okay, high is good enough for walking around. But now I think my battery is running out. Okay, low, medium, high here. Okay, it's red here. You see that? Okay, because the battery is not a high capacity. Okay, it's just a flashlight that you use in emergency in your car, something like that. Just keep it in your pocket, so the battery capacity is not really that much. Okay, but it's good enough, okay, for walking around in the forest. Okay, no problem. Okay, here 1, 2, and 3. Okay. For emergency light, 1, 2 here. Okay. Okay. When the battery is very low, okay, you cannot go to blue and red blinks. Okay, you can only use the white light, I think, in the very low mode. Okay, when the battery is very low. Okay. Okay. Overall, I think this one is very versatile. Okay, you can use it as a window breaker, flashlight, and also it has a knife, okay, for using in your everyday life or in the forest, something like that. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.